Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ikendake, and today we're going to be doing this avocado deep conditioning mask. Now, deep conditioning is really great for your hair, for your scalp, and this is something you can do, I personally would say, at least weekly. And it's really going to give your hair the TLC it needs. So jumping right in, you want to start with your favorite conditioner as the base. Today I'm going to be using the Herbal Essences Hello Hydration. Has really good slip, and it's really easy for me, I would say, when I'm detangling. It really works through my scalp and leaves my hair feeling soft and silky. So based on your length and the density of your hair, you want to start with about a cup to a half cup. Then I'm adding an avocado that has high levels of fatty acids, which are rich in protein, vitamin D, which is also going to promote shinier and stronger strands of hair. Next, I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. And coconut oil is going to work as a natural SPF, which is going to protect your strands from sun rays. It's going to keep your scalp and strands moisturized, and it's also going to strengthen the cuticle. Next, I'm going to add 4 to 5 teaspoons of castor oil. And castor oil is going to increase blood flow to the scalp, works as an antibacterial and antifungal, which helps to reduce dandruff. Next, I'm going to do about 5 teaspoons of olive oil. Olive oil is a really great carrier oil. It's going to strengthen. It contains squalene and oleic acid, which is moisturizing. It's going to penetrate the shaft, which is good for length retention. It also contains vitamin C, which promotes collagen. Next, I'm going to go in with some organic honey. I'll do about 4 teaspoons. Organic honey works as a humectant, so it's really great for locking in moisture, promoting shine, and minimizing frizz, which will certainly come in handy when you wash out and style.
It's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I could teach you yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge.
Next, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of almond oil. It smells amazing. It's also full of healthy fats such as vitamins A, B, D, and E. Has magnesium, zinc, and that's going to assist with sealing moisture and promoting shine. Then adding about 7 drops of tangerine oil. Tangerine oil is full of vitamin C, vitamin D, which is going to promote strong follicles. It works as an antiseptic, which prevents your scalp from infection. Then I'm going in with 8 drops of clove oil. Clove oil improves blood circulation in the scalp. It's going to strengthen follicles, and it also promotes thicker strands. Next, I'm going to add about 4 to 6 pills of the vitamin E at 180 mg. And vitamin E is a great carrier oil as well. It's going to assist to increase blood flow in the scalp. It's hydrating, and it also assists in preventing split ends.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake.
So initially I started with half of an avocado. I blended for about 20 seconds, and then I went back in and added the other half and blended the rest of the way through. And you want to blend that until the consistency is airy and almost a whipped consistency. Yep, that's nice and fluffy. So now to apply, you want to start with pre-pooed hair. I'm going to be working in sections.
But I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake.
And you're just working in to ensure that the mask is covering all of your hair from root to tip. And just a tip, you want to make sure that you open up your hair as you're going through the process, just to make sure it's all over the hair really thorough. Then you want to detangle once more while the product's in. So I first did a layer, then I added a second layer after I detangled. Then you're going to add a plastic cap. I like to add two just to really lock everything in. Then you want to grab your heated cap. I had mine on the lower setting and I let that sit for 30 minutes. Then after I washed out, I did a quick wash and go, which was with some mousse and leave-in, which is always just works perfectly for me. Then allow to dry and you're good to go. Thanks so much for joining me. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.